Doing what? I'm audible. So we start the session today and talk about the journal preparation, book writing as well as letter writing. So actually, we first basic text format given for the preparation of cases. So today we talk about the importance of journal preparation. When you write your journal for publication, you have most of the persons they are using word format. So word format aligns the correct orders like abstract keywords, introduction, related words, morning's work, and references, lessons and descriptions, outputs, statements. But next, align all the things which are like simple comments, which will align our words, which will align our documents very excellent manner, so that we can create a journal very easily. Okay, so the same way we discussed yesterday, we discussed about the topic called only com. So only the com is only we can write our reviews, we can write our letter of preparation. Okay, so and creating a project, project. So what is that project? So, new project will create a plan project for journal preparation. So, journal which consists of we have defined the document class. For any piece of information, we can document class of okay, for preparation of the reports, document class is report. Okay, so we will use the document as report. Okay, we can do that one of journal and title of journal and author name is string and data you can use different. Okay, now let's report by article. Okay, difference. Okay, so now we can see the difference. Okay, so journal and say introduction section, but post section we can see section. Very good. Report we can see the comparison. So, same thing that the introduction is part is okay. So, okay. So, same way we can go about okay. We can do that this way. So, same thing here in the part. So, we must know the difference between and your article. Okay, so we need difference. So and in the document class, that from the section, between the document and the document class, you have to include package as well as your introduction part, like the ID, information, and whatever information about the introduction part of the book or information that is like you have to include document class and teaching document. Teaching document, which include the can call the free packages or specified documents. So the packages specified document class and teaching document can call teaching document and data document. Okay. So whenever you do title after make it title information. So today we're going to write some simple journal. Okay, two columns. Okay, we want two columns. Okay, so first one we have to write document class of we are going to write document class of article. Okay, because this is article. So article. Sure. So the article must be which paper you have to write, whether A3 paper. Okay, that's the one. Second thing is the font size. Okay, 12 point, 10 point, and 14 point. The font size is first. So I will try this journal A4 paper, and the font is 12 point. And I have to write my journal in 2 column. Okay, 2 column page. Okay, 2 column page. Make sure that document class followed by your description of your article. Okay, when you say layer of the page, 12 point, 2 column article. Right. Okay, so document class followed by paper, 12 point, font size, 2 column, and article. Okay, so for creating the article, use the okay, 2 column page. Next one. You must give the margin size, whether the space, right margin, top, bottom, like this. Okay, so you must give all the information. Use package of geometry. This package is a package which you can define in the page one, like so setting the size, what pieces you are given for left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin. So there's no metric. So inside the use package, what you have to define? Okay, the margin size. Okay, so the margin size I can define which is equal to 1 inch. Okay, normally we can define 1 inch. Okay, and one margin is equal to 1 inch margin. And we define 2 columns. So 2 columns. Okay, the column 1 and column 2. We can write the column as 2 columns there. So we have to give a column space. Column separator. Okay, column separator, which is equal to some 1 centimeter. Okay, make sure that use package not be 1 meter, column separator and 1 centimeter, and so the it's a package is defined to be in the page format of your article. Okay, the next one. Now the next packages, we must write it out. Okay, so I can write some Okay, the text is related from the some information. Okay, and from the structure part of the writing, we will structure like yesterday we told from the writing down the text. Okay, then some mathematical equation. Mathematical equation in right we can always AMS max. This is not mathematics. So here I will say that complicate the
Hello. I'm audible now. Sir, நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா?
மாமா நான் தான் அதுல கலந்துக்கிறோம்.
சார் கேக்குதுங்களா பேசுறது?
சார் பேர் வேற காலேஜ்ல இருந்து கலந்துக்கிறாங்க. எல்லாரும் அத புக் எழுதுறதுக்கு எல்லாரும் முக்கியமா கலந்துக்கிறது அதனால தான் நாங்களும் சரி கலந்து போறோம். பார்த்தா எல்லாரும் போட்டு
நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா? சார் நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா இப்போ? ஹலோ.
ஓகே சார் ஓகே சார்.
இப்ப கேக்குதா மேடம்?
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே மேடம் ஓகே.
கேக்குது சார் கேக்குது. ஒரு பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் ஒன்னு வருது சார் ஸ்கிரீன்ல.
அப்படியே மேடம். ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம். அப்படியே.
வாக்கிங் வேண்டாம் அவ்வளவுக்கு.
நல்லா கலக்குங்க.
ஹலோ சார்.
மேடம் இப்ப தெரியுதா மேடம்? இப்ப கேக்குதுங்களா? பாருங்க.
வரைக்கும் பேசுனது எதுவுமே கேட்கல சார்.
இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க மேடம். ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
இது வரைக்கும் ஆமா சார்.
இப்ப ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியுதா மேடம் உங்களுக்கு?
பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் ஒன்னு இருக்கு சார்.
பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு. பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு.
பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் இருக்கா மேடம்? இந்த ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
ஹலோ.
சொல்லுங்க மேடம்.
அந்த பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் ஒன்னு இருக்கு. பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் ஒன்னு ஸ்கிரீன்ல அப்பியர் ஆகுது சார்.
ஓகே மேடம். இத எடுத்துறேன் மேடம். ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம். ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம். ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம். ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
ஒரு வெபினார் போயிட்டு இருக்கு அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். அதனால தான் சொல்லுங்க.
யார் உங்களை மியூட் பண்ண சொன்னீங்க கொஞ்சம்?
லேப்டாப் தூங்க ஜா.
Participants, dear participants, all of you.
வெபினார்ல இருக்கேன் பாருங்க. முடிஞ்சிரும் 10 நிமிஷம்.
கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
10 நிமிஷம் முடியல வெபினார்.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
போயிட்டு வாங்க பேசலாம்.
மேம் இப்ப ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியுதா மேடம்? இப்ப ஏதா பிளாக்ஸ் ஆகுதா?
தெரியல சார். வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இல்ல சார். திரும்பவும்
அப்படியே.
நல்லா இருக்கு.
ஹலோ.
மேம் இப்ப கேக்குதுங்களா?
சொல்றேன்.
ஹலோ.
இப்ப திரும்ப பாக்ஸ் தெரியுது.
நம்ம 24
அப்படியே மேடம். இந்த ஒரே நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
ஒரு 16 பேர்
சார்.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்
பேசணும். இன்னைக்கு இந்த 10 பேருக்கு பேசவே இல்லை.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
ரெடி பண்ணோம்.
என்ன பண்றது? எப்படி இருக்கு?
என்ன பண்ணணும் இதுல?
ஹலோ.
இப்ப பேக் மேடம். இப்ப பிளாக்ஸ் இருக்கு.
ஓபன் ஆகுது.
இப்ப பாக்ஸ் இருக்கா மேடம்? இப்ப பாக்ஸ் தெரியுதா?
Mute all the participants, sir.
1 minute மேடம்.
கேக்குது. everyone mute பண்றது. ரெடி பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
ஹலோ.
இப்ப கேக்குதா மேடம்?
கேக்குது சார். சார் இப்போதைக்கு மியூட் பண்ணுங்க சார் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் மைக்க.
பண்ணிட்டேன் மேடம். இப்போ என்னோட ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியுதா? அந்த பிளாக் ஏதாச்சும் தெரியுதா மேடம் ஸ்கிரீன்ல? இது
ஒரு few minutes கழிச்சு எனேபிள் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
மேடம் இப்ப இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் ஏதாச்சும் பிளாக்கா தெரியுதா?
அந்த black color box appear ஆகுது சார்.
அப்படிங்களா? என்ன மேடம் இருக்கு?
ஆமா சார், black color box appear ஆகுது.
அப்படிங்களா? சரி சரி சரி. இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம்.
அதுல எதுவுமே இல்ல சார். ஒரு ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன்ஸ் போட்டு ஒரு பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு சார்.
அப்படிங்களா மேடம்? இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம். ஓகே.
சார் நீங்க மைக்ரோஃபோன்ல பேசுங்க. நீங்க ஸ்பீக்கர்ல பேசுனீங்கன்னா அப்படிதான் கேட்கும்.
ஹலோ சார், நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா? ஹலோ, நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா?
இப்ப கிளியரா கேக்குது.
கேக்குதா சார்? ஹலோ, நான் பேசுறது
Now
கேக்குதுங்களா? ரிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க.
now the box is appearing.
Pulau.
சார் கேக்குதுங்களா?
Assalamualaikum, pulau apa?
சார் பேசுறது கேக்குறீங்களா?
ஓ
கேக்குதுங்களா? மேடம் கேக்குதுங்களா மேடம் ஆடியோ?
இல்ல சார், கேக்கல சார்.
இல்ல பேசுறது கேக்கலையா?
இப்ப பேசுறது கிளியரா இருக்கு. அந்த பாக்ஸ் திரும்ப அப்பியர் ஆயிட்டே தான் இருக்கு.
இந்த பாக்ஸ் தான் என்னன்னு தெரியல. ஒரு நிமிஷம், என்ன க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு தெரியலையே. ஒரு நிமிஷம், நான்
இப்ப எந்த பாக்ஸ்னு தெரியல சார். ஹோம் ஸ்கிரீன் தான் தெரியுது.
பாக்ஸ் இப்ப தெரியல சார்.
இப்ப தெரியல சார்.
இப்ப தெரியலங்களா? ஓகே ஓகே. ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேடம், இப்ப ஸ்டார்ட்
ஆடியோ
பண்ணலாம்.
கிளியரா இருக்கு. நீங்க இப்ப ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க சார்.
இப்ப பாருங்க
சார்,
மேடம்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க சார்.
மேடம் இப்ப பாருங்க மேடம். நான் இப்ப
பாக்ஸ் வந்து
இப்ப தெரியுதுங்களா?
இன்டர்நெட் ஸ்பீடா இல்லனா அந்த மாதிரி வரும் சார்.
அப்படிங்களா? இல்ல இல்ல, ஸ்பீடு நெட் ஸ்பீடா தான் இருக்கு. ஒண்ணும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லையே.
இல்ல சார் பாக்ஸ் விசிபிள் இப்பதான் சார்
இப்ப
தெரியல.
வரல
ஓகே ஓகே
சார்.
ஓகே.
இப்ப இருக்கு.
ஓகே
சார் கொஞ்சம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
ஓகே.
இப்ப சொல்றேன் மேடம். இத எனக்கு உங்களுக்கு மியூட் பண்ணீங்க. எனக்கு ஆடியோ சொல்லிருங்க மேடம். சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே.
ஓகே. நீங்க மியூட் பண்ணீங்க மேடம். எல்லாமே மியூட் பண்ணீங்க நீங்க. Okay. So now we start the journal preparation. So the first one we start from the document class. So first line is solliren oru vaati. So document class will start from which paper we have to choose to write. So I can write for A4 paper. The font size 12 point size and 2 column. Okay, so journal எல்லாமே இப்ப நம்ம 2 column ல தான் எழுதுவோம். So 2 column page we have to choose, and my document class name is article. So there are 3 classes. I already told that. One is report for thesis and other things preparation, article for journal preparation, and book for writing your book content. Okay, so the next one we have to write for use package geometry. This geometry package will define the size of your pages. Okay, margin size, alignment of paper in left margin, right margin, top and bottom. So I can give the margin which is equal to 1 inch. So margin equal to 1 inch, 1 in, comma. So between 2 column, so the journal 2 column, we have to separate by column separator between 2 column space. So the column separator initially we can take it for 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. Okay, you can change it for 0.5, 0.6, etc, etc, depends on the size of your column. Okay, between 2 spaces. Okay, now next one we have to include the package name. So this package name, first one is plain text. So the plain text is some random paragraph generated by latex, which we can use it for the some section, introduction or some other section. Okay, there are 2 text it can default, it can create. One is plain text and one is called lipsum and plain text. We can use it this both packages for creating some random text. Okay, so next one we can use some figures in the figures in the report. So we can include the package of use package graphics. So so we can include the mathematical equations also. So we have to include the AMS mathematical packages. Okay, so till now this package is enough, and we can include the some package. You can knock it out. Apart from this, we can use some font. We can use the ASM fonts. Okay, ASM fonts and comma AMS symbol. Okay, we can include, I'll tell you, this fonts is a mathematical fonts. We can use AMS use package. Okay, 1 minute. Use package AMS symbol. Okay, symbol. So till now these packages are very important. Okay, so plain text, graphics, AMS fonts, AMS symbol. Okay, after that we can start the document. So we'll start from the begin document. And one thing we forget, we must include the title, that is the title of our journal, the author information. Okay, so every journal you start from the title page. After the title page you have to refer your author information. So that's a very important thing. So that we must write the title information for this journal, and make sure that for importing keywords we must write this one package you have to include. Okay, one is called provide command. Okay, it's what very important. This is the package only we have to import in the for journal preparation in latex. Okay, provide command. Okay, so open bracket backslash keywords. So this is a very, very important steps. You can make a note of it. Provide command backslash keywords. Okay. So this is the first thing. Okay. Provide command backslash keywords. Okay. So we must include the package name. We must include the keyword soda package. Okay, so that's the provide command keywords. In between this open braces and close braces, I have to define the keywords, the font of the keyword. So I can define anyway. We can define the font of keyword is italic. We define. So it should be in bold letter. So text BF. Okay, text BF which gives the your keyword is bold. Okay, text BF. Yesterday we discussed about backslash text BF for bold text, and backslash underline for to underline the text, and other thing we discussed. Okay, text footnote size. Okay, these three was very, very important. So backslash text BF, and we have to write this text by text italic font. Text italic font. So what is the text italic font we have to write? That is the keywords. Okay, keywords we have written in italic font. Okay, keywords. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is what very, very important. Provide command keywords. Provide command keywords which define the bold letter of italic word keywords. Bold letter of italic word keywords. Okay, this is the very, very important thing. Okay, so after that we have to write the title of your thesis. Okay, sorry, title of your journal. Okay, your journal title. Okay, so you can write some journal preparation using latex. Okay, this is a simple one. Okay, you can give it for it. Okay, after title information we must give the author information. So that's the default command backslash author. Backslash author command, you can use it for to giving the author information. So author information. So first author, you have to write the first author. Okay, author surname. So author name you have to write author name followed by, so we define some three authors, author 1, author 2 and author 3. Okay, so what we have to write? So in we have to write the author name superscript of 1, author 1. Okay, so dollar symbol, this is a mathematical equation yesterday we discussed. So there is dollar symbol which calls the AMS max symbol. Okay, so dollar symbol, author name. Okay, so power, I yesterday told that. Okay, power cap 1 $1. That's all. Okay, so which gives the author name of power 1. Author name of power 1. Power 1. It's a mathematical equation, so we must include dollar symbol between start and end. Okay, so any mathematical equation you must include dollar symbol. Okay, between two dollar symbol you can write any mathematical equation, a plus b equal to c. Okay, likewise we can you have to write for other symbols. So this is a mathematical symbol, dollar, between two dollars you have to write some mathematical. So likewise we write author name power 1. So the first author name, that is the author name superscript of 1. Okay, so followed by the next author, author name 2, author name dollar symbol power 2. Okay, then dollar symbol. That's all the author information. So author name 1, author name 2. Okay, next thing, suppose you want to give the mail ID, then you can give the mail ID of your author. Email ID, email backslash email. Okay, so here also, here itself we can give the your author's email ID. Okay, so backslash email of your first author. Okay, first author email like a@gmail.com or some mail ID you can give. Okay, and followed by here after dollar symbol you can give $\email of the second author you can give b@gmail.com. Okay, b@gmail.com you must give. Okay, so this is the second thing you have to give. Okay, this is the author information. So next followed by the author information you must give the so now we can go for the other next. Okay, so after author is over, next we'll go to the document section. Okay, begin document and end document, because this is the so this all things are in all main section. So now we can go to the begin document. So begin document. Okay, so begin document and end document. Okay, now we can define the make title. Okay, make title, yesterday we discussed. So anything we can start. So now we can compile this. We can, if we have any errors, we can find out. Okay, undefined control sequence. So here it's a problem, I think so. Author name, dollar symbol. Yeah, you can see here. Now we can see here. So we have given the journal preparation using LaTeX. Author name 1. So here you can give your mail ID. Okay, mail ID, and followed by author name 2, b@gmail.com. a@gmail.com. 1 minute here. gmail.com. You can compile this. Okay. Yeah, you can see here author name subscript of 1, then mail ID, comma author name of 2, mail ID. Okay, if you want to give your institution name, then you can give your institution name also. Okay, you can followed by comma your institution name. Okay, so anything you can give it. Okay, so this is the first thing, and next we'll go to the make title we have completed. Okay, now we have start with the abstract. Okay, so begin abstract. It's a default package which is available in LaTeX. Begin abstract. Begin abstract. Okay, so I can give some plain text. Okay, plain text I can give. You can compile this. Now we can see abstract was created. Okay, it's a double column, so we'll start the double column abstract. Okay, so begin abstract, plain text, abstract, followed by the now we can import the keywords. Okay, so keywords of A, comma B, comma C. You can give the keywords. Now we can see here keywords A, comma B, comma C. 1 minute, I'll go to the next one. So double backslash, can use the next page. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, so so this is the keywords you can give. Okay, so we are given in bold, italic, bold, italic. So here we are defining bold. This is the bold with italic keywords. So that's why you can use the bold, italic. Okay, which is content. You can separate the content also. A, comma B, comma C. you can write the keywords also. Okay, you can give the space and you can make it up. Okay. Okay. So any doubts? Okay. So we'll finally we can go for doubts. Okay. So this is the next one. Okay, keywords. And next one we'll go for the section. Okay, we'll go for the section backslash section. Introduction. Okay, we can compile this. And we must write the plain text here. We must give the introduction section. So we can give backslash plain text. Yeah, you can see here. Okay. So the space between the two columns we are defining here is 1 centimeter. Suppose you want to give some 1.5 centimeter, then you can give the 1.5 centimeter also. Yeah, the space has been increased now. Okay. So here you can see. Okay. Okay, so we can reduce the margin, we can increase the margin by 2 inches, 3 inches, depends on the separator, you can do it. Okay, you can margin, you can create by some 2 inches. You can see any difference. So we are giving the margin is 2 inches. So it can be changed to somewhat merger. So we can change it to 0.5 inches. You can compile this. Okay, so 0.5 inches also the margin has been aligned well. So we can give the 1 inch. It's a standard size. We can allocate for journal preparation. Okay, 1 inch you can give. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, you can give it for the section. So now the introduction section you can write. Next one followed by the introduction section. Suppose you want to allocate for subsection, then you can give the subsection of the introduction part. You can give a model. Okay, model, and we can give some plain text. You can compile this. You can see here model, it can be coming to subsection. So one is introduction and 1.1 is your subsection. Now you can give the subsection of A. Okay, subsection of A with plain text. So it can be changed to, here you can see 1.1.1.1 A. Okay, so this is the subsection. Okay, audio clear? Okay, okay, this is the subsection you can write. Okay, so now, so meanwhile we can add any subsection. Suppose I'm giving the second subsection, section of related work. So now we can see paragraph of paragraph of small things in module. I can give module. Okay, now followed by the plain text. So now we can, I have given the paragraph of small things in module and plain text. You can compile it and you can see what's the difference. Okay, now we can see here related works. But it came the small in things only. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, but we can give some large, which gives the large text. Yesterday we discussed. Okay, that's not a problem, but there is no difference between paragraph and plain text. It's but the paragraph will align the text in a justify manner. Okay, you can see paragraph of plain text. You can see here. Okay, you can see here. So it will align some bold format letter, which gives the alignment is very attractive. Okay, so now you can see any abstract will start the word, the equivalent word will start with the same space. Okay, so this space you can reduce. Okay, this space we can reduce, depends on the some we can give the some space, column space and margin space. Okay, and now we can insert the figures. Okay, these three things these four things you must know. Okay, begin, figure, okay, and okay, so now including the graphics already I told that, so we can upload the image file here. We can select this image, the same image file which I had uploaded yesterday. Okay, download.jpg. Okay, here we can upload the figure image in top, bottom, and left and right. Okay, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so for that you must give some keywords, like I can give T for top. Okay, T for top. I can give download. This is my file, the image file which I had given here. The file name alone, not JPG. Download, and here you can invoke your file like download. Okay, download. Okay, so now we can, so for including the figure you can install the graphic package. Okay, so you can compile this. Now we can see the image will be coming in the top. Okay, top, and I can replace this T by B, bottom. Okay, T by B, you can see, compile this. You can see it comes to the bottom portion. Okay, top and bottom. So here we must include the term which is called HBT exclamatory symbol. This format which gives where you are currently insert your figures after this paragraph. Suppose you want to insert the figure in this portion, you must given this command HBT symbol, which says that you can insert the figure in a current format, current here, the current place where you can insert the figure here. Okay, you can recompile this. Okay, so here it can be coming to left portion. 1 minute. One minute, I'll tell you. Begin figure. Now suppose you want to reduce the size of your image, figure image, then you can give the size of the width of your image, like we can give width by some 1 inch. Okay, we can give it here width size. Okay, so we can call it here download. Okay, now we can try it out. Minimized. Sorry, I was given two figures here, two n figure. So any error, it will be identified by the red colors. Okay. Can we change? Here it can say that download. Sorry, the file was download. I was given. So you can each and everything you can check it out. That's why it shows error. Okay. Download. So here you can see. Yeah, here you can see the big image here, but we have to modify it to some 1 inch here. But here it comes the work, but we must, it comes after the after related work only. Okay, so while we have to write some section, some copies, some documents we can write. Okay, instead of plain text we can write plain text. Can compile it. Okay, now it can come. Okay, now it can come here, and yes, after portion here. Okay, after things it will come to here. Okay, centric. So now it can be come to this portion, correct portion, but after this portion related work, it must come to here. Okay, it must come to here. That's the correct thing. Okay, we have to modify something this. Okay. Okay. Yes, but comes here, but while you are writing paragraph, you must come in a correct way. But this is the syntax for placing your current figure format. Okay, current figure format. Okay, like that we can write. Okay, this is the correct format we have to write. Yeah, it can come here. Nice. Yeah, now we can see after this paragraph blind text, but you can do it again and again. So then only it can comes in a nice, very good manner. You can see, you can download this one and you can see here. Yes. Yes, here you can see here introduction part. Yes, it's nice. Okay, come here. Okay, so that's the thing. Insertion of figures in the correct. The same content things you can write it for tables. Okay. Begin table like HBT, same HBT. So we just compiled it, whether the table will come after this figure. Yes, it come after this figure. So now we can align the figures. Okay, you can use the 2 columns figures name. Like I can give some horizontal line. So we are creating 2 columns. So you can give the serial number and name. Line 1. So now you can see here, your table has been created. Okay. So this is the way you can create for table 1, caption 1. So make sure that you can replace this table name by some name. Okay, table name you can write. And for figure name, you can write for caption figure name. Okay, table name and figure name. Okay, so the same thing I can define for, I can go for next section. So section module, plain text. So you can write for something else. You can continue this page. Okay, and so now finally we go for chapter conclusion. So result and analysis you can import by graph in the same manner. Suppose you have to, but importing graph in LaTeX also possible, but you have to write the separate coding for importing the graph, like pie chart or some chart mechanism you have to import. Okay, the same manner. Suppose you have readily available your graph. Suppose you have taken from Excel sheet chart or something diagrammatic chart, you can import from this figure, and you can then you can add it through the command begin figure and end figure. Okay, you can add it. Okay, so after finally we can go for section. So the thing is references. You can include the site. Okay, the site number 1, number 2. So for that you can use the package of site. This is the package. Okay, this package you have to include, use package of site. Okay, so section references, so I can share that this is the document prepared by /site of 1, site of, I can say B1 or some name you can give, site of B1. Okay, so now we can include this in the bibliography details. So what is the difference of what is the syntax for bibliography? Bibliography style So yesterday we had seen this bibliography syntax. Yes, you can see here. Yes, begin the bibliography. Okay, begin the bibliography followed by your site name here. You have to import that site name. What you have given in the site name, you must give here. Okay, number 1. Okay, number 2. So sorry, so we have to write the begin bibliography, the bibliography. Begin the bibliography where we can write it in plain text. Then BB item we can retrieve it from the B1. Okay, so here we can take B1 here, B1 from the site B1, and you can take some example. We can take it from this Michael, for example. You can copy this. I can put it here. Okay, now send bibliography. Okay, now we can recompile this. Yes, here you can say references this document prepared by one. That one document is your author details. Okay, clear? Okay, so references. Simply I can give the section name as references. Anything you can write it here. This the document prepared by one. This is the BB text. This one I can, this site one I can take it from this BB item of B1 here. So what are the term you was given here? You must call it in BB item. Okay. So same as you can create for n number of references for the journal preparation. Okay. So backslash you can say it for next one BB item 2. BB item 2 B2, which you call it for some item which site we can call. Okay, take it from some site B2. Okay, so B2 so B2 here we can go for other terms, please compile this. Yeah, we can go for second term. So meanwhile it can create the references also. Okay, references also it can create, depends on the thing. So this is a sample journal preparation using LaTeX. You can download and you can see the file. Okay. So footnote, suppose you can write some footnotes. You can write the footnote also. Okay, in the footnote, suppose right here. Sorry, 1 minute. Yes. Yeah, here you can see here. Here you can see this one is a footnote which sentence the meaning of TR. I can give some larger words. I can give some come to session. Okay. Can give here. So here you can it can assign the welcome to session. So likewise you can modify the footnote also in the journal preparation. Okay. So there is no need for giving this one, the same thing which you define in the this is one is enough. Column separator 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so that's all about the journal preparation in the latex. So this space and all you can try it out by giving your paragraph. So I'm not giving, so because I was given plain text, so it will be the problem. So when you are giving the your words, originality of words, your content, then that will be the better to include your inclusion of your things. Okay, any doubts? Okay, so that's all about the journal preparation in latex. Okay, so suppose I'm going for, so I'm showing on some demo. IEEE conference journal preparation. I'll tell you the thing. IEEE conference template. Yes, this template is available in this forum. Suppose you want to prepare for conference, for IEEE conference. Sorry, I had missed the page, so no problem. We can go to, you can type in the Google, you can get. Okay, IEEE conference template for overleaf. So IEEE conference template, it's available in this website itself. Open as template, I can show here. Yes, here also all are very so it will create a problem. So document class, here you can use the conference followed by the IEEE, but make sure that this class will be installed. This is the IEEE template. Okay, this template we can use it. We can import this template under this folder, conference folder. Okay. Okay, so IEEE conference folder. So all are same. Use package site. So we are importing mathematics, symbol, fonts, algorithmic. Suppose you want to write algorithmic package, then you can write algorithmic. So graphics, text comparison, colors. Bifi text is not important. This is not important. If you want to delete, you can delete, no problem. Okay, so I can delete this. So begin document, then title of the paper, backslash title, the paper title. So backslash title, paper title, footnote size I was given, no footnote size. The some words you want to give now, you can give it. So normally we are giving the paper title followed by the author name. So here author, backslash author. So backslash the author name, one, superscript of one. So we are giving dollar author name cap one, but they are given backslash text superscript of given name. Okay, one first name they are given first. So first one followed by the superscript, backslash superscript. That is so instead of that we can give here in, suppose we can give dollar one power st, one power st. Okay, we can say that whether it is correct or not. You can say that. So that is also correct, but first, but it can include 1 power s, power s. Yes, so we must give 1 followed by power s followed by power t. So that's why they can give superscript words, because 1 power s is 1 power s, then s power t is s power t. You can see here the same words which we can write it. Okay, so same as we can give text in it, that is italic font of your organization name and your email address. So what we are defined. So for 6 authors, they are defining 6 authors. So now we can go to the title page. We can write the begin abstract, same what we are discussed. But here you can go for keywords. This is the IEEE defined keywords format. This class will define the keywords format. IEEE class format, which defines the keywords of I begin IEEE keywords, then keywords, then section, then other things and all same. The others and all same only. Okay, begin IEEE section, introduction, section, easy of use, subsection, then your content. Okay, your content, then next section, next subsection. Okay, then itemize. Yesterday I told no itemize, which gives the font of your bullet and numbers. Okay, so itemize, we discussed begin itemize and begin enumerate. Okay, begin itemize and begin enumerate section we discussed. Okay, so how we try it out. Okay, so begin itemize, which gives the font bullet font, and so here we can define backslash begin itemize, which gives the item of the font size. But under the references I can write. So now you can see references. I can in the references I create the name and address. Instead of itemize, you can go for enumerate, begin enumerate and end enumerate. Itemize you can item of now you can see it changed to numbers, name and address. So name, number and address. So likewise you can give the important points also. Okay, important points also in the number format. Okay, so likewise you can write the you can write the IEEE conference. Like so this formats, template format for IEEE conference, this is very important format. So you can work it out. If you want to write your content, then you can take this template and you can modify it. The same things, but all the things will be same. But you can, so paper title, give your paper title and a name of the author things. So you can give your author name, first author name. Here you can give the name of the author, name and surname. You can replace it by your name, so that your name will be come. Okay, so you are replacing, then your name will become. So likewise you can change your name, and now you can see first name and last surname. So you can change all the things. So this section only you can face some difficulties, because we can include package name, we can include the title, author details, email ID, and keywords. Okay, so title, author information, date, keywords you must give between your document class and the begin document. After begin document, all are very easy. You can write your thesis. Okay, introduction, section, subsection. You can include your paragraphs. You can include your figures, tables, references, etc. So that's a small things about the channel preparation. Now we can go for a simple two topics. One is book preparation. I'll tell you the thing. You can the same thing. Okay. So book preparation only 2 minutes. I'll complete within 5 minutes. Okay, it was very easy. Book preparation. So so we can go for document class is now the document class is book. That's all. Okay. So here you can go for document class A4 size. Here you can write document class size, the same thing what we have defined, A4 size paper, 2 column in journal, page is 2 side page. Okay, if you don't want 2 side page, then you can give only the A4 paper with the font size. I can define some 10-point size. 10-point size, 2 side book. Okay, so use the package geometry I defined. Left side margin I can give 1 inch, right side margin I can give 1 inch. Okay, you can give the top margin also, comma top margin 1 inch or right inch. Then this is the package are not important, no problem. Okay, so inclusion of the, so here we must include the package name is fancy header, which gives the your package of book with the designation header and footer. Here there are 4 things we have to define. One is called right head. Right head is here in the upper part, header part. This is header part, this is footer part. In the upper part, right header, left header, center header and right header. So I can define right header is overleaf, right left header is guidance. Suppose I can give the center header, I can give C head. Center header I can give the some name. I can give my name, center header, then you can recompile it. You can see it comes to Ram here. So it consists of left head, C head, right head. Same as you can define for L foot, left foot, center foot and right foot. So only I can define the page number in the right foot. So I can give right foot of page number. Okay, then you can write your document, begin document, first section, plain text, then the next section, then you can keep on writing your book pages. Okay, so this is the book writing. Okay, book writing, it's very important. 2-side book writing. We can give the 2 sides, we can give the other side also. So we are importing the fancy header package, page style is fancy. These 3 package you can include. Use package fancy header, page style is fancy, and fancy hyperlink file. Okay, so this is for book. And for letter writing, very easy. If you want to write the letter in Word, that's easy, but you want to write the letter in LaTeX, that also very easy. So instead of article and report, you can write the letter. Okay, so document class letter, address /address, which gives the address. Okay, address of the author, followed by the begin document, then begin letter. Every begin letter end with the end letter, and opening and closing. That's all. These 4 things are very important. Okay, so document class 12-point letter. So we'll start the address. So some address you can write. Okay, so address. Okay, after followed by address, you can give the so your begin letter, okay. One minute. and begin letter, end letter. So always we can start from this letter from whom you have to write. Okay, 1 minute. It's a cyber problem. 1 minute. It shows error. Okay. Opening of your letter, and finally you can write the your content, letter content, and finally you can write the closing of your letter. Closing of your letter. So this is the body we can write. So here the sir subject you can write. Okay, so closing, which gives your letter. Okay, so this is the total body of the letters. Okay, begin, end letter, opening and closing. So that's all about the letter format of this general letter format you have to write for your latex format. Okay, so anything you have doubts you can tell. So that's all about the letter preparation. Okay. Okay, that's all about the session. You have any doubts? You can speak now. Yes, you have any doubts?
मैंने बोल दिया।
क्या बोल दिया?
लेता
अभी जा रहा है क्या? सच बता दे। एक बढ़ जा। वो खुद बंद हो गया क्या?
So I can share the link for your attendance. You can write your name.
Right में तो आ रहा है पापा।
Clearly you write.
पापा।
एक मिनट बढ़ा, एक मिनट बढ़ जा, एक मिनट बढ़ जा। क्या नाम है तुझा?
I can share the link for your attendance.
அந்த 130 வந்து சென்னை சென்னையில இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு 99% வந்து சிம்டம்ஸே காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது. சிம்டம்ஸ் காட்டாம போட்டுன்னு போறது எவ்வளவு பிரச்சனை. சிம்டம்ஸ் காட்டி நீ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணா கூட பரவாயில்ல.
You can fill this form. I was posted this form. You can fill this form, and tomorrow evening you will get your e-certificates. Okay, within tomorrow evening you will get your e-certificates. Okay.
अरे गंदा
So that's all about the thing.
முஸ்லிம் மாதிரி ஏதாவது கம்யூனிட்டி வைஸ் ஏதாவது பரப்புறானுங்க தெரியல.
Yeah, you have any doubts? You can tell me.
Yeah. அப்படிலாம் பரப்புறானுங்களா?
So for today's we discussed about the basic of thesis preparation. So the thesis preparation will start from report. It's a 12-point report. Packages we include color.
अपना नहीं बताओ।
So it can include the package name, graphics, Lipsum. So the title of your thesis, like title page, author, date, and you can use the hyperlink package which links to the particular content. Okay, suppose I can give this page table of content, I can click this introduction, then it can move to the introduction. Okay, so I can give the list of figure name Ram, it can go to the where my the figure where the content of the figure is located. Okay, likewise you can give the chapter, so page numbering, so up to introduction, that is starting from your dedication, declaration, acknowledgement, up to acknowledgement, you can write the page numbering of Roman. So for next chapter, from chapter onwards, you can use the page numbering of Arabic. Okay, so for table of contents, after abstract, we can give the table of contents. Then list of tables we have to add. So add the content of the tables by giving table of content, section, list of tables, figures, list of figures. The same wise, table of content, section, list of figures. Then go to the new page. We can start our thesis by giving the page numbering of Arabic. Okay, we can include the chapter number 1. So we have to create the chapter number 1 by creating the new file. Okay, so here you can replace the chapter 1 because your chapter must be very large. For thesis, you can write more content. So you can create some chapter number 1, chapter number 2. Suppose you can give the chapter number 1, 2, 3 introduction, or you can write some introduction.txt. Then you can include this chapter in the / include ch1. Meanwhile, you can include the chapter 2, 3, 4 also. So any n number of chapters you can include it in the include option in main.text. So this is the main.text. We can include this chapter 1 by ch1.txt, ch2.txt, ch3.txt. After that, we can write the results. So we have to write the section number, subsection, and subsection number. So after that, you have to include the figures by giving begin figure. The figure must be in centering, which include the graphics of the figure image file. That is, you can upload it in the system. Okay, the package name .jpg. You please do not give the package version. That is the extension of your package. ram.jpg. If you are giving ram.jpg, it gives the wrong answer. Only you can give ram only. Okay, so the caption, the name of the figure name, and the label we can retrieve from this ram, and end figure. So now we can start from the mathematical equation by giving begin mathematics, which in called the AMS max. So so any mathematical equation which is written between two dollar symbols. So dollar, so any dollar, so dollar between $2, you can write the symbols. Suppose you want to write alpha, then you can write / alpha. Okay, this is the default command. Then beta. Okay, then gamma. Okay, anything. Okay, for delta, anything. Okay, so these are the normal commands. We can use it for mathematical equations. Okay, alpha, beta. Then square root of 2, which gives the square root value of 2. Then in mathematics, then while you are writing equation, then it start from begin equation. Then you can write the equation of this mathematical derivation. Underline of x bar, summation varies from subscript of 1 to superscript of n, limit varies from x to x arrow of k, then delta c, which gives this answer. Okay, so here, sorry, here you can go for here. Okay, so this, then square root of 1 is square root of 1. Then begin table, you can give the table in this option, which gives the table in, we can place it in top, we can place it in bottom. Okay, so that's the name. Okay, then centering of your table, caption of the table. Then so I have created 4 columns, each columns with a specific pipe symbol. Okay, pipe symbol, 4 columns. So I can create horizontal line for this 4 columns, serial number, name, ID, and marks. I was given this, and finally we have to give the end table option. Then figure, begin figure. So the same as you can add for begin and table. Okay, so after that, so the list of symbol you have to add by giving the enumerate symbol, which gives the bullet number, numbers. If you define this I value, then it can give to I of college. Okay, the fraction value x plus 1 by b. Then finally you can write the backslash appendix, the appendix value, like appendix of installation procedure, then appendix of other procedures, and we can include. Then sample output we can write. Okay, sample output likewise you can write. Okay, sample output a equal to 20, p equals 10. Then references you can. So adding the bibliography, we can use the syntax of begin the bibliography sentence. Begin the bibliography. Okay, we can add the item by giving the number of 1. Then you can refer the author's information. Likewise you can add. Okay, so this is the normal thesis preparation, and while we prepared for this journal preparation, that is the another things, that journal preparation, we must start with the document class of article, followed by which papers you have to refer. A4 paper, 12 point and 2 columns we have. So every journal have the format of 2 columns. So suppose you have the single column format, you don't mention the 2 column, just give the a single column. Okay, sorry, not giving any single column, you can give only the A4 paper 12 point. Okay, that's enough. Then use package margin, we can define the geometry package which defines the margin of left or right by top and bottom with the column separator of 1.5 space. Now this space between this paragraph and this paragraph, which gives the 1.5 centimeter space. Then we can include the packages for plain text, for including figures, for graphics, mathematical equation, mathematical fonts, mathematical symbols, and for citing the bibliographic information we can use package sites. Providing the keywords, we can write provide command of keywords. This keywords which be written in bold color with italic font, and title of your thesis, sorry, your paper, journal preparation using latex. Then the author information, author name, power 1, just identify the number 1, first author of the journal, followed by his email ID. If you want to include the college name, then you can include the college name also. Then author name 2, power 2, dollar symbol. Then begin document, so you can give the title. So make title which gives the all the information which you define in the document class. Then you can write the abstract begin. So it's a normal default package in the latex. Begin abstract, you can write some plain text. And abstract keywords, you can also keywords we are called here. So provide command. So keywords ABC, section, subsection, subsection, related works, figure. Suppose you want to insert the figure in a right here current place, you can give the command of HPT exclamatory symbol. Then centering, and you can include the graphic size also, width of the size also 2 inches. Okay, and then the download option. Then the table also, the HPT, then the table 2 column size table we have to include. Okay, and the references enumerate and itemize. Then footnote and the bibliographic information we can take it from the bibli item of this site, this B2. Okay, this B2 which defers this author. Okay, this author, and in the bibliography. Okay, so that's all about the this 2 days seminar, 2 days workshop. So instead of article you can write for book. Okay, 2 sides. Okay, for book you can go for, instead of 2 column you can write for book. Okay. We can go for book here. Now we can change it to book format. Okay, can change it to book format. We can write. Okay, that's a book format. We have done. So that's all. Only one thing we have to define. Okay, so that's all. Then letter writing. Letter writing. We start with the document class letter, address of the person, then the to, begin letter, opening in which you have to write, and closing and end letter. Okay, so that's all. It's what very easy templates are available. Okay, so that's all about the packages. So I think the session was over. Now if you have any doubts you can ask me. You can put it in chat window so that I can answer. Okay.
500 हो जाएगा अभी.
Yeah, that's all. So you have any doubt?
ऐसे सुना मैंने वहाँ कर्फ्यू लगने वाला है.
Okay.
कल से वहाँ कर्फ्यू लगेगा.
Okay. So we can fill it the form and we can share it. So I can provide these certificates tomorrow. Okay. For all the participants, you sir fill the form. I'll provide the certificates within tomorrow evening. Okay.
कल से वहाँ कर्फ्यू लगेगा.
So any doubt?
एकदम से बढ़ गए बहुत ज्यादा. अभी कितने हुए देखो. अपडेट आ रहा है क्या उसमें?
For preparation of PPT, you can use the package is called Beamer package. Use package Beamer. Use package. You have the one package name is called Beamer. Okay, 1 minute. So this package, I'll tell you, ma'am. I'll tell you. So that's a process. It's a long process. I'll tell you how to prepare a PPT. Okay. So this is the Beamer file.
Send us
this.
the.
Yeah, ma'am. I'll tell you in the.
Yeah.
So that's other things. I'll tell you, ma'am. Okay. In group, I'll tell you. Yeah, in group I'll tell you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So it was a very good presentation.
Sure.
Only for some problems in the audio and video and some network problems.
Okay.
Otherwise, it was very useful.
Okay.
And we have started trying with this.
Okay.
Today morning and afternoon, I was working with this overleaf and was looking at what are the things what we have been telling us yesterday.
Okay.
Try to have a thing, and any doubts in that, we'll be contacting you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Email ID.
Sure, ma'am. I'll share it.
Thank you so much. Thank
Sure,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
We expect many webinars like this.
Sure, ma'am. We'll do it, ma'am.
Possible.
Sure, ma'am. We'll do it.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank you. Thank you. Any other things you want to say? So please share your Manoj sir, Satya ma'am. Manoj sir, Satya ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am. What's your doubt?
I have no doubt, sir.
You have shown some hand raise. No, ma'am. Okay. Satya Ramasamy, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You have shown some hand raise button, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Manoj sir, you have any doubt? Manoj sir? So any other doubts for any other participants?
Sir, in case of paragraph writing, Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
In case of paragraph writing,
Okay.
paragraph, when I want to write it in paragraphs,
Okay.
shall I give that till this in one paragraph? Then from the next thing, I'll have to have it write in the next
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can give it for each and every section. You can define every paragraph. Section / section followed by the section name within braces, and you can write in the next line. You can write / paragraph within the braces. Also, you can write the paragraph, ma'am. For every section, you can include the paragraph. Ma'am, I'll share the some small simple that text file, ma'am, for writing thesis. I'll share it within 2 minutes, ma'am, in group.
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay.
Once you see
I was trying with something in the morning where I found out some problem.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay.
have you installed MikText or Text Studio?
No, I was working with this Overleaf.
Overleaf. Okay. No problem.
Yeah.
That's ma'am. But you have very good net connection with saving option. It will be give very good manner, neat presentation. Because every time it can save it. So if you have any connection problem instance, it will take time. So that's the problem. Otherwise, it can save every moment, man. Every second it can store your data. Save your data.
But as Sangeeta Priya was pointing out yesterday,
Yes.
will it not be plagiarism since it has been stored in the cloud?
Plagiarism, yes, ma'am. Yesterday, that's
Will we have problems with that?
That's the thing we have to put it in the software, ma'am. We can find out, madam.
Okay.
That's the thing, only the problem, ma'am. But make sure that most of the universities are following this only. So that's why we are going to the next level. Okay, any other doubts? Karthi, sir. Any other doubts? So I'll share the link that chat box for a document link, Microsoft form. You can fill it and we can send the form to my link so that I can prepare the certificate for new people, and I'll share it tomorrow.
Ram Prakash sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, please share the PPT also, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'll share the PPT, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll send the mail, madam. I'll send the mail, madam. For all you people, I'll send the mail ID. But the PPT is
okay, sir.
There is no link for to share the PPT. Zoom, ma'am. I'll share the PPT, ma'am. I'll share the PPT. Mail, madam. Through mail.
Nice. Very good presentation, sir.
Thank you, madam. But we must do some practice. Practices only. LaTeX is very. If you do more and more practices, you can just go to this website overleaf.com, and in the documentation section, the project documentation section, you can see n number of syntaxes, n number of comments.
Okay, sir.
Help documentation. You can see all the things. Okay, how to upload the project, copying the project. Okay, here onwards. Some mathematical, how to insert the images. Once you see this syntax, you are very familiar with the LaTeX, madam. Okay, in the left side portion, you can see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bhavani, ma'am, Bhavani, madam. Yeah, presentation
Hello.
part.
Yes, here I'm here.
Ma'am, you can see here, ma'am. This is the package for presentation. You can use this package Beamer to create the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So document class we can use for Beamer, which creates the some sample document. So you can see I can copy this example. I can copy this content. Okay.
Mm.
And we can paste it here. You can paste it here. You can see some sample presentation we can get using this Beamer. It's very easy, madam. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can see here, madam. In the document class Beamer, we are defining the frames. This is what very important. Now we can see, ma'am. This is the presentation, madam. That's all. Okay. So only one thing, ma'am. Instead of articles, reports, books, etc., you can include only one term is called Beamer. This will create the presentation. LaTeX with the frames. Instead of title, we must give the instead of that section, we must give frame. That's all. Begin frame and end frame. That's all. Frames, presentation frames. One frame, second frame, third frame, etc. So
each slide is a frame.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So frame title and the other things are all same. Instead of section, we have to write chapter section, then we have to write for begin frame and end frame. That's all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and other things, you have some font size, colors, and all there. You can specify it. You can see here colors. How will you give the colors? Footnotes, header and footer, page numbering. All the things are there. When you click this link, you will get the specific program, that is the customized program of all the LaTeX fonts. So that's all about the. So suppose I. So. This is a PPT presentation where suppose you want to give this information like colors, table of contents. You can see here. Item is value. Suppose we have discussed the item is item 1, text visible of slide 1, visible of slide 2, etc., etc. We can import by using this option. Okay. So that's all about the LaTeX. So thank you for attending the session, and I'll provide the certificates within tomorrow evening. So you can give your valuable feedbacks also for forthcoming next workshops, and we'll go for some useful workshops in the forthcoming days, like any topics related to computational or some other topics. So thank you very much for attending my, and thank you very much.
Thanks for your valuable
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
webinar, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.